Okay, we are going to go over Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And here we have our triangle. This side is going to be A, this is B, this is C. Now notice, this is just C, but up here we have, this is just A. Up here we have A squared, and same thing, this is B squared, A squared, B squared, A, B. This side, let's make this 4 centimeters. This side is going to be 2 centimeters. This side is a mystery. We have no idea what it is. But what we do know, okay, A equals 4. B equals 2. C equals mystery. We have to solve for that. So over here, this is our equation. This is what we plug everything into. But the only problem is right now we're dealing with squares. And we need to get our answer C, but we need our C to be in this form. C normal, not C squared. So let's plug, I'll show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna plug these in, then we're gonna get C squared. We'll have to square root that to undo the squaring on it. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, A equals 4. So now we have 4 squared plus B. B equals 2. So now we've got plus 2 squared, and this all equals C squared. Now let's solve this. You see, okay. 4 squared equals 16. Okay, so let's write right here, 16. And this is what A squared equals. 2 squared equals 4. So plus 4. This is what B squared is. So put B squared right here. Okay, 4 plus 16, 20. Okay, there we go. C squared equals 20. So let's put that right here. C squared is 20. Okay, awesome. But what's C? Well, A equals 4, A squared equals 16, square root 16 equals 4. Same thing. B equals 2, B squared equals 4, square root 4 equals 2. Same thing applies right up here. Let's use red. C squared equals 20. So square root 20, this is going to be a funky number, equals C. Therefore, C equals, this is my calculator where I'm going to do this second button here. Here's you can see this is my square root button. I'm going to put 20 in. This is going to give me a square root of 20. It's going to be a decimal. 4.47. Or we can round this and say 4.5. So there we go. C equals 4.5. And I'm going to put that in right here. 4.5. So we just use Pythagorean theorem to solve for the missing angle, which equals 4.5 centimeters. Let's do another example. over here. Okay. Here is my beautiful triangle. This side is 8 centimeters. This side is 3 centimeters. This is C. And we don't know what C is. So up here, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We're gonna plug these guys in, okay? A equals 8. A squared equals, let's see, 8 squared, 64. A squared equals 64. Okay, B equals 3. B squared equals, okay, 3 times 3, 3 squared, 9. Awesome, let's put a 9 right there. A squared plus B squared, 64 plus 9. So let's put over here, 64 plus 9 equals, 64 plus 9, 73. This number is C squared. Just like 64 is A squared and 9 is 3 squared. 73 is C squared. So let's plunk 73 right in here. So we know C squared equals 73. Well, okay, awesome, but what's C? If C squared is 73, let's undo that. Let's take the square root of 73. This is going to be some funky decimal, so let's do second function. See the blue line, that's the square root. There we go. 73. 8.5. So there we go. 8.5. C equals 8.5. And that is the missing area of my triangle.